If you're considering Xero projects for your business, there are 12 things you need to know before making the decision. Xero projects offers a lot, but is it the best choice for your needs? Let's compare it to other accounting software options and see how it stacks up. First thing, Xero projects integrate seamlessly with Xero accounting software, which is great if you're already using it. But if you're considering alternatives like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, they also have strong integrations with their own ecosystem. You're not limited to Xero with other platforms, so it's essential to evaluate what fits best with your current system. Next thing, Xero Projects offers a straightforward user interface that's relatively easy to navigate, but don't expect complex features that other software might provide. If you're looking for advanced project management tools integrated with accounting, something like QuickBooks Online may have more flexibility with additional tools built into their project management features. The third thing, Xero Projects has time tracking capabilities. While this feature is nice, its functionality is a bit limited compared to competitors like Harvest, which has more robust time tracking and reporting options. If time tracking is a top priority for you, you might want to consider other choices. Next thing, pricing. Xero Projects isn't the cheapest option out there. It requires a paid Xero subscription to use, so it's best suited for businesses already in the Xero ecosystem. If you're new to accounting software, alternatives like Wave offer free basic plans or lower cost options that might be better suited for your budget. The fifth thing, the project management features are decent but fairly basic. You can track tasks, set milestones, and assign jobs, but other platforms like Zoho Projects or Monday.com offer more detailed project tracking and customization. If you need more control over your project workflows, these alternatives may offer more flexibility. Next thing, Xero Projects offers invoicing, but with some limitations compared to its competitors. For example, QuickBooks Online has better features for customizing and automating invoices, making it a more versatile option for businesses that need more than just basic invoicing. The seventh thing, reporting. Xero Projects does provide some financial and project reports, but compared to other accounting software, it's somewhat limited. For deeper insights, software like FreshBooks and QuickBooks provides more comprehensive reporting options for tracking both finances and project outcomes. Next thing, customer support. Xero has a solid support team, but some users report slower response times compared to competitors like FreshBooks, which is known for faster and more responsive customer service. If you need reliable support, it's something to keep in mind. The ninth thing, the mobile app experience. Xero Projects offers a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich as QuickBooks or Zoho's mobile solutions, which are more polished and user-friendly. If you need a top-notch mobile app for on-the-go project management and accounting, you might want to explore other options. Next thing, integrations. While Xero integrates with a wide range of apps, including payment gateways and other business tools, it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as some of its competitors, like QuickBooks, which offers more extensive options for connecting with other business software. The 11th thing, if you're running a small team or a solo business, Xero Projects can be a good fit. However, if you need advanced features like team collaboration tools, task dependencies, or detailed custom workflows, software like Zoho Projects or Monday.com might be a better choice for growing businesses. Finally, if you're someone who values simplicity over complexity, Xero Projects is a good option, but it's not the most advanced project management software out there. If you're looking for something that can scale with your business and provide more robust project management features, you might want to consider something else. Xero Projects is solid, but it's not for everyone. If you're looking for a better solution, we have a recommended alternative that you can try for free. Check it out and see if it fits your needs better.